My name is Laura from G&G Capitals. We are reaching out regarding your overdue balance of $2,000 on your loan.
We are behind again on the children's school fees. I think we need to pray and ask God for provision.
Prayer? I need a real solution, Dio. Prayer.
Remember that debt I told you about? It is swallowing us.
You know, life is all about taking risk. And sometimes, the right gamble might just be the answer.
I hope everything is well, because you look like someone that's been fighting spirits.
Spirits? What is wrong with you?
The trouble you got me into is still hanging on my neck.
Or do you want to kill me?
You are suspended pending the investigation. You won't talk your way out of this one.